ओके फ्रेंड्स, वेलकम अगेन। टुडे दोस्तों आज हम एक्सरसाइज 13 चैप्टर सरफेस एरियाज एंड वॉल्यूम्स का क्वेश्चन नंबर 5 डिस्कस करने चल रहे हैं, विच इज बेस्ड ऑन द कन्वर्जन ऑफ सॉलिड्स फ्रॉम वन शेप टू अनदर शेप। सो डियर फ्रेंड्स, इन दिस चैप्टर as the concept of conversion of solid from one shape to another shape, we have read that हमने क्या सीखा कि एक शेप से दूसरे शेप्स को सॉलिड को कन्वर्ट तो किया जा सकता है, लेकिन इसका वॉल्यूम हमेशा सेम रहेगा। इस कॉन्सेप्ट को कभी मत भूलिएगा। शेप को हम चेंज कर सकते हैं लेकिन वॉल्यूम चेंज नहीं कर सकते, बिकॉज वॉल्यूम इज द सेम एज द वॉल्यूम ऑफ द फर्स्ट वन एंड द अदर वन। सो लेट अस सी the question of this one. Here it is given a container shaped like a right circular cylinder having diameter 12 centimeter and height 15 centimeter is full of ice cream. A container is in the cylindrical shape. In this container, its diameter, right circular cylinder having diameter is 12 centimeter और उसकी height 15 centimeter is given that. And that container is full of ice cream. वो कंटेनर आइसक्रीम से भरा हुआ है। This ice cream is to filled into the cones. उस आइसक्रीम को जो उस कंटेनर में भरा हुआ है उसको छोटे छोटे स्मॉल कोन्स में फिलअप किया जाता है। जैसे आइसक्रीम वाला आता है आपको सेल करता है, सेम कॉन्सेप्ट इज हियर। दिस आइसक्रीम इज टू बी फिल्ड इनटू द कोन्स ऑफ, नाउ द dimension of that small cone is given into cones of height 12 centimeter and diameter 6 centimeter having a hemisphere shape on the top, और इस टॉप पे hemispherical shape भी है। Then it is asking find the number of such cones which can be filled with the ice cream. Means उस small cones को जो कि आइसक्रीम के फॉर्म में that a seller is selling, कितने कोन्स को उसमें उस आइसक्रीम, उस कंटेनर के आइसक्रीम को फिलअप किया जा सकता है। नंबर ऑफ सच कोन्स वी हैव टू टेल, दैट इज filled with the amount of that container, right? So let see the solution of this question. Now let n be the number of cones can be filled with this ice cream. Number of cones is to filled, that is the question. Question के according our solution will be, पूछा है कि कितने कोन्स को भरा जा सकता है, तो हमने सपोज कर लिया let that is n number of the cones can be filled. Now concept क्या कह रहा है, as the dimension of this cones is given, dimension of the cones is height of the cone. For cone its height h is given 12 centimeter and diameter is 6 centimeter. So its radius will be 3 centimeter, which is the half of this diameter. And for the container, cylindrical container, for cylindrical container its diameter is 12 centimeter, so radius will be 6 centimeter, its radius is 6 centimeter. Why? Because diameter is 12 centimeter, so half of the 12 is 6 centimeter is the radius, and height is 15 centimeter is given. Height is 15 centimeter is given. Now let us use the concept. So अभी हमने क्या लिया कि हम उसमें से n cones को फिलअप कर सकते हैं. So the volume of those n cones will be equals to the volume of that container having ice cream. This is the concept behind the conversion of solid from one shape to another shape. So according to the concept we have to go, as we know that volume of n cones is equals to the volume of that cylindrical container. Volume of cylindrical container. I think आपको कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं हो रही होगी. Now volume of n cones means n multiplied by volume of one cones. N into volume of cones is equals to volume of cylindrical container is, for the container we have taken this dimension. So for cylindrical container, pi r square into h is capital we have taken. Now this cone is not only the cone, this is cone plus hemispherical part at the top is it is attached, and it is given here in the question. This ice cream is to be filled into the cones of height 12 centimeter and diameter 6 centimeter having a hemispherical shape at the on the top. So this can be written as n is equals to n into this cones is volume of hemisphere plus volume of the cone. Volume of hemisphere plus volume of cones. Cone is equals to pi r square is the radius, that is 6 centimeter, into height capital H, which is 15 centimeter cube. No need to write down because all the unit is in centimeter, right? So let us simplify. Now n into volume of hemisphere is 2/3 pi r cube, small r we have to take r cube, plus volume of cone is 1/3 pi r square into h is equals to, here this is pi into 36 multiplied by 15. So solve करते हैं अभी इसको, इसमें भी वैल्यू सब्सटीट्यूट करते हैं. pi we can take 1/3, pi we can take the common. So n multiplied by 1 by 3 pi. So we got here 2 into r cube, and the small r is 3 cube, plus 1/3 pi is came out, r square which is 3 square into height of the cone is 6, height of the cone is 12 centimeter, right, is 12 centimeter, which is pi into 36 multiplied by 15. So pi from the both side it is cancelled. Pi it is cancelled from both the side. Now let's simplify. This is n upon 3 into 2 multiplied by 3 3s are 9 3s are 27 plus 3 3s are 9 multiplied by 12 equals to 36 into 15. So let us simplify it. N by 3 n by 3 into 2 multiplied by 27, which is 54, plus 12 multiplied by 9. 12 nines are 108 is equals to 36 multiplied by 15. When you can simplify this one, we will get the number of such cones can be filled with the ice cream which is kept there in the cylindrical container. So therefore, n upon 3, add this one, 8 4 12, 8 4 12, 5 1 6, 162 is equals to 36 multiplied by 15. So n is equals to 36 into 15 into 3 divided by 162. अभी हम इसको सिंप्लीफाई करते हैं. 6 से सिंप्लीफाई करते हैं. 6 6 जा 36, 6 2 जा 12, 4 is remaining, 6 7 जा 42. Now by 3, 3 1 जा 3, 3 9 जा 27, 3 2 जा 6, 3 3 जा 9, 3 1 जा 3, 3 5 जा 15. So how many cones are there? 2 multiplied by 5, which is equals to 10 cones can be filled with that number of, with the ice cream of that container. So the answer is, so that question is asking find the number of such cones. So 10 such cones can be filled, 10 cones can be filled with the ice cream of container. Ice cream of container. Right? Any problem? So friends, I think you all are get the meaning of this. एक सिलिंड्रिकल कंटेनर जो कि आइसक्रीम से कंप्लीटली फिल्ड है, उसका डायमेंशंस दिया गया है. दिस सिलिंड्रिकल कंटेनर डायमीटर इज 12 सेंटीमीटर, so radius is 6 centimeter and height is 15 centimeter. This cylindrical container is completely filled with the ice cream. ये complete आइसक्रीम से भरा हुआ है. इसमें से कुछ छोटे छोटे कोन्स को भरे जाने हैं. वही नंबर ऑफ कोन्स हमें बताना है. The dimension of this small cones it is given. Height is 12 centimeter and diameter is 6 centimeter. So the radius will be 3 centimeter. So according to the concept, suppose हमने क्या लिया कि there is n number of cones can be filled. n cones को भरा जाता है. So as n number of cones is filled, so the volume of those n cones will be equals to the volume of that cylindrical container having the ice cream. As the volume of n cones will be equals to the volume of those cylindrical container having the ice cream. So this cone is not only cone. ये जो कोन फिलअप किया जा रहा है आइसक्रीम से, ये कोन ही नहीं है, उसके टॉप पे हेमिस्फेयर भी रखा जा रहा है. सो द वॉल्यूम ऑफ दिस कोन कैन बी रिटन एज वॉल्यूम ऑफ हेमिस्फेयर एट द टॉप प्लस द वॉल्यूम ऑफ द कोन ऑल्सो एट द बेस. सो आफ्टर सॉल्विंग इट, substitute the values, we got this, the value of n is equals to 10 such cones can be filled with the ice cream of this cylindrical container. So friends, I think you all got the concept behind this question. इसलिए once again I am saying कि क्वेश्चन को मीनिंग को समझ से बिना आप क्वेश्चन सॉल्व करना स्टार्ट नहीं करेंगे. और एक बार आपको क्वेश्चन का मीनिंग समझ में आ गया तो आपका आंसर कभी रॉन्ग नहीं हो सकता. इफ यू डू नॉट हैव डिफिकल्टीज इन द सिंप्लीफिकेशन, देन right? So keep practice, because the practice makes a man perfect. So आपका solution भी हमेशा perfect ही रहेगा. So let's see the question number 6. How many silver coins 1.75 centimeter in diameter and of thickness 2 millimeter must be melted to form a cuboid of dimension 5.5 centimeter by 10 centimeter by 3.5 centimeter. As in the question is given, how many silver coins, कितने सिल्वर coins को मेल्ट करेंगे हम, जिसके थ्रू विद द हेल्प ऑफ दैट we can form a cuboid of these dimensions, right? So as it is asking that how many silver coins. So dear friends, first of all the question arising, ये जो coins होते हैं ये किस शेप के होते हैं, कौन सा आपका सॉलिड शेप काउंट होगा इन द सिल्वर इन द coins. So friends, it is to be clear with you, आप फुल्ली कॉन्फिडेंट के साथ ये बता सकते हो कि सिल्वर क्वाइन किस शेप का होता है. इट इज इन द शेप ऑफ सिलिंड्रिकल. सो एज द सिल्वर क्वाइन इज इन द शेप ऑफ सिलिंड्रिकल, सो हमें कौन सा वॉल्यूम फाइंड करना होगा, वॉल्यूम ऑफ द सिलेंडर, राइट? सो एज इट इज आस्किंग इन दिस द क्वेश्चन हाउ मेनी सिल्वर क्वाइंस, सो फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल कितने सिल्वर क्वाइंस, सो लेट n be the number of silver coins in the solution of this question. Let n be the number of silver coins to be melted. To be melted. कितने coins को हम मेल्ट करने जा रहे हैं, n coins को. It means the volume of this n silver coins will be equals to the volume of this cuboidal shape. Concept समझ में है आपको? So for this silver coin, its dimensions we have to write down. For coin or you can say coin is in the shape of cylinder, so for cylindrical coin, (1.75 centimeter in diameter). Diameter is given 1.75 centimeter, so radius will be 1.75 upon 2 centimeter, and its thickness is 2 millimeter. Therefore the height is called thickness. 2 mm is equals to 2 upon 10 centimeter, because we know that 1 centimeter is equals to 10 millimeter. This is all about the information of this coin. Coin is in the shape of cylinder. ये कॉन्सेप्ट आपको अच्छे से लर्न होने चाहिए. अगर आपको नहीं समझ में आता है तो कई कॉइन्स को लेकर एक के ऊपर एक रखते जाओ, देखो आपका कौन सा शेप मिलता है. Easily you can understand, right? As the thickness of coin is very small, इसलिए आपको ऐसा लगता है कि ये सिलेंडर नहीं होगा. जब आप कई कॉइन्स रखोगे तो आपको सिलेंडर शेप ऑटोमेटिकली दिखने लगेगा. सो फॉर दिस क्यूबॉइड its dimension, length, breadth and height is given, so no need to write down. We have to write solution of this question directly. As the concept of conversion of solid from one shape to another shape, it is saying that the volume of first shape is equals to the volume of second one. So here the volume of n silver coins is equals to the volume of cuboid. Therefore our concept is saying volume of n silver coins is equals to volume of cuboid. Now volume of n silver coins, it means n multiplied by volume of one coin is equals to the volume of cuboid. Volume of one coin, that is pi r square into h, and volume of cuboid is length into breadth into height, which is given 5.5 multiplied by 10 multiplied by 3.5 cubic centimeter. All the units we have to write down in centimeter, right? So n multiplied by pi r is the radius, which is 1.75 divided by 2 square multiplied by the height in centimeter 2 upon 10 centimeter equals to 5.5 multiplied by 10 multiplied by 3.5, right? So let us simplify it. N into pi is 22 upon 7 multiplied by 1.75 upon 2 into 1.75 upon 2, and this is 2 1 ja 2, 2 5 ja, which is 1 upon 5 is equals to 5.5 multiplied by 10 multiplied by 3.5. Let us simplify. N is equals to, we have to find out. So n is equals to 5.5 multiplied by 10 multiplied by 3.5 multiplied by 7 into 2 into 2 into 5. 7 into 2 into 2 into 5 and whole divided by 22 into 1.75 into 1.75. अभी हम इसको सिंप्लीफाई करते हैं और हमें n की वैल्यू मीन्स नंबर ऑफ सच सिल्वर कॉइन्स फाइंड आउट हो जाएंगे. सो सॉल्व करते हैं. हाउ टू सॉल्व दिस? 2 is cancelled by 22, which is 11. Now 5 2s are 10. 5 2s are 10 multiplied by 3.5 multiplied by this is, so this can be written as 5.5 which into 10 is equals to 55 multiplied by 3.5 into 10 is equals to 35 multiplied by 7 upon 11 into 1.75 into 1.75 is the number of such coins. अभी इसको सिंप्लीफाई करते हैं. 11 5 जा 55, right? So we got n is equals to 5 multiplied by 35 into 7, 35 into 7 divided by 1.75 into 1.75, 75 into 1.75, right? So let's simplify it by 5 first. 5 1 ja 5, 5 3 ja 15, so 0.3, 5 3 ja 15 and 5 5 ja 25. Afterwards this by 7, 7 1 ja 7, 7 2 ja 14.2 7 5 is 35. Now it can be written as n is equals to 35 into 100 divided by 35 into 25. These 200 we have written as it was the decimal. Now 35 is cancelled, 25 4s are 100, so we got 4 multiplied by 100, that is equals to 400. Therefore answer is saying that how many this silver coins required? 400 such silver coins required to make this cuboidal shape. So the number of silver coins be the number of coins be 400. So friends, I think आपको क्वेश्चन का सॉल्यूशन समझ में आया होगा. एक बार फिर एक्सप्लेन करते हैं. हाउ मेनी सिल्वर कॉइन्स ऑफ दिस इन डायमीटर एंड thickness is 2 millimeter must be melted to form a cuboid of dimension 5.5 centimeter into 10 centimeter into 3.5 centimeter. As the silver coin is in the shape of cylinder, so let n be the number of silver coins is to be melted. So for the cylindrical coins, diameter is this, so radius is half of that one. As height our thickness is 2 millimeter was given, so उस thickness को हमने सेंटीमीटर में कन्वर्ट कर दिया 2/10 centimeter, because 1 centimeter is equals to 10 millimeter. We know that. Now, so the volume of n silver coins will be equals to the volume of this cuboidal shape. After substituting the values and calculating easily, we got the number of silver coins which is 400. Okay.